Alright guys, we're going on a little adventure. Hey Luis, what's up bro? Where are we going?
Portugal, baby. First
Let's
trip.
fucking go. Yo, here we are, bro.
This other Indian kid up here.
Alright guys, we're officially in Lisbon, Portugal. Just down the airport, just got into the first class lounge. And I'm going to go pick up the bags and head to the Airbnb. We'll see you later. Let's pop some bottles for breakfast. Yo, Luis, you excited for breakfast, bro?
Champagne for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Let's do it. Guys, we are officially in Lisbon, Portugal.
This is awesome, bro. This is fucking awesome.
Luis, do you see what I see?
Yeah.
Alright guys, the adventure is officially started.
Dude,
We're in Portugal.
We have an Airbnb in like the rich part of town, bro. I didn't know.
We're ballers, bro. You got this, bro. You got this. Come on. Alright guys, we are riding scooters. Shit goes fast. Mr. Grushka, how you going?
Good, man.
It's been almost 3 years. Bro, we just came to visit you, man. A couple days. Why not? Last time I saw you, bro, was 3 years ago, man.
Thailand, right?
Yeah, the last time I saw you was in Bangkok. Alright guys, Airbnb tour. We got the kitchen. And then we've got bedroom number 1. What's up, Adrian?
My gift to you, Adrian.
What is it? Holy shit.
Some bling created.
5 hours later.
Alright, good morning everybody. What's up, Luis?
This is all uphill.
What's up, Adrian? Alright guys, we just took a 4 or 5 hour nap. Woke up and we're like, oh shit, we gotta go paint the streets. So here we are. Alright guys, we gotta walk uphill a million times here. Alright guys, let's make some magic happen. Luis, do you see what I see, bro?
I see what you see, man. What is
You don't see that?
He sees what I see. He sees the same thing.
Yo, Luis, why is he going a picture with Adrian, not you, man? What the fuck?
What's going on over here? Adrian's a star in Portugal. I'm not schmuck. I'm a nobody.
Adrian, are you famous? Have I seen you on YouTube? Dude, we found the bitches. Let's go. This guy's freaking out that Adrian's here. He's like telling the girls like, he's a YouTuber!
I want you to have my first wife.
Fuck, it's hilarious. Alright guys, we're trying to pit the streets, do cold approaches, and every single fucking time I do a cold approach, there's some guy fucking trying to sell us drugs and shit. And this place is crazy. I like Portugal so far. And yeah, it's good. What's up, bro? And these guys keep trying to come in my sets and sell out the girls drugs and sell me drugs. I don't do drugs. Alright, quick dinner before the club, Luis.
It's a fucking delicacy here, man.
Let's go. Alright, we made some new friends. Doing a little photo shoot. Luis, what do you think, bro?
Great.
Sprechen Sie Deutsch?
Spoken to Deutsch. Is that weird? No, that's normal, isn't it?
Tell me about your OnlyFans again, Luis.
It's just
Stop telling everyone about your OnlyFans.
Alright.
It's supposed to be a secret.
Alright, I won't bring it up anymore.
All right, we got Joe. Is that your name right, bro?
What's up, man?
How are you, bro? You good?
Good, yeah.
Girls, rooftop bar? Okay, let's go.
Yeah, lunes y papá. Entre más lejos, más feliz. Era un veneno y lo bebí. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Siempre sé la peli esa actriz, pero ya vamos llegando al fin. Yeah, yeah. Somos felices a distancia. Ya no aguanto tu fragancia. Tú no eres consentida, que la tienes merecida. Somos felices a distancia. Ya no aguanto tu fragancia. Tú no eres consentida, que la tienes merecida. Yeah, yeah. Cogiste la rosa y escupiste pina. Nunca será Nati ni seré tu pina. Gucci, Dior, baby, te ves fina.
Luis, how does it feel waiting in line with the
I feel like a
peasants?
fucking peasant, bro.
Jesus.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Luis, we can't go in, bro. They won't let us in.
I've never had this happen.
I've never had this happen either. What the fuck? So the pubs won't let us in because we speak English. That's racist. Hey, Mom, I met this beautiful woman and we're falling in love here in Portugal. I don't think I'm gonna make it home. I don't think I'm gonna make it home to Canada. I'm sorry.
I think he's gonna stay here.
I think I'm gonna stay with my new girlfriend, with Bia.
Yeah.
Hi, Bia.
I'm sorry,
Can I kiss
Mom.
you?
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That
Guys, I am absolutely in love with this chick. She has an amazing hip to waist ratio, and I want to put a baby in her. Should we make babies?
Maybe.
What do you think?
I think so.
in the heat of battle, he don't miss.
No.
In the heat of controversy, he don't miss.
A few inches later.
Goodbye, girls. See you. Whoop. Sorry. Guys, the sun is up. What a crazy first night here in Lisbon. Seriously. Birds chirping. Goodbye, new friends. See you never. Good morning, everybody. Guys, last night was a whole range of things. Can't talk about in the vlog, but weird, wild, fun, crazy, sticky. What? What the f? And a little bit dirty. Luis, how's last night, bro?
Bro, they wouldn't let us in the club. This is the most humbling thing I've ever had to experience. No matter what club
They're
we went to, they
racist,
wouldn't let
dude.
us in.
They're racist. Because we speak English, they're like, you dirty Americans. Go back to your country. Go back to where you're from. They literally, bro, I swear to God, I literally heard them saying that in Portuguese. I literally heard them say, go back to your country, you dirty North American. Luis, we end up having a fun time anyway, right?
Yeah, it's cool no matter what, bro.
You gotta make the best of it. If that means hitting the streets until 4 in the morning until you pull some bitches, gotta do what you gotta do.
I make this motherfucker bad. Coolie suelta, media loca, baila choca. I make this motherfucker bad. Rebel y grites, gangale. Bandidos en la noche, yo que mando aquí. Ven acá, suelte mami, así me gusta sofocar. 7 copas, una juca tequila. Sal y perrear. No tienes vergüenza, mami. Baby, quiero ser el río de tu Tokio. Chingamos en la casa de papel sin negocio. Esta vida nunca se acaba la fiesta. Comiéndote todo el día que se joda esa dieta. I tell that sucker, yeah. I tell that sucker, I make this motherfucker bang.
Guys, that's what she said. Shit. All right, guys, I'm in my underwear because I didn't have swimmers, so I've been swimming in my underwear all day in the ocean, and we're gonna film a video picking up girls in my underwear. Let's fucking go.
Oh, cool. I actually moved here 6 months ago.
Oh, are you enjoying it?
Yeah, I'm staying in Cascais, in Montesquieu.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, very beautiful. Right by the beach. Yeah, we just went to...
That went pretty good, guys. That went pretty good. So far, picking up girls in my underwear's been pretty good. Like different clubs and stuff. Yeah. Really cute. Do you have Instagram?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's add each other. You're super cute. I would love to, Yeah, but maybe we'll meet up because I'm gonna go shopping right now as well and get food. And I'm gonna go get like food, and then I'm gonna go to the clubs tonight. So we should meet up.
Okay.
I'm gonna message you. Say Justin from the street.
The street.
It was amazing meeting. I love your vibe. You're so beautiful. Can you give me a hug? You're so
Thank
cute.
you.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
That's good. Boys,
That's
boys suck.
good, but boys
Boys
are not
suck.
good
You're bad.
thing.
Pleasure to meet you. You're very cute. I'll see you later. Okay.
See you later.
You like his videos?
Yeah, I've
Have-
seen a lot of videos.
Where are you from?
From Bangladesh.
Ah,
He's one of
Nice
you.
to meet you,
Nice
man.
to meet you.
Pleasure.
Nice to.
Have you seen his OnlyFans?
Sorry.
His OnlyFans?
Yeah.
Adrian has a really good OnlyFans as well. You should check it out.
I like her video. Like
His
some-
video?
Some old video.
This guy?
Yeah, this guy.
Which video did you like?
Sometimes he asks some girls about like how.
Like how often do you masturbate? Look at that. Mr. Grushka, you excited for some vegan chicken?
Yeah.
I can smell it. Tandoori chicken, just like Mother used to make.
Many hours later.
All right, guys, last day here in Portugal. Let's make the best of it.
Adrian Knight.
Yeah, mate.
How's the wife?
It's like beer the first time you tried it.
I don't like to try. I'm okay with that. Do you try it?
Orgies? I love orgies.
Yeah, that's so much fun.
Every weekend. It's me and 10 girls. She thinks we're joking.
You and 10 girls.
Yeah. No, you know what? The biggest orgy I had was like me and 5 girls. I had to take a lot of. I took 6 Viagra's. My vision started turning blue. I'm not joking. It was fucked up. I had to drink a lot of water after.
He's not lying.
It was.
I was there.
I like it.
Ready? And unfollow.
Unfollow.
Moment they're gone, unfollow that shit. Now or never, boys.
It's crazy because here in fucking Lisbon, we just party in the street. There's almost no point in going in the club. You just party in the street. I love you. Grab my Instagram. I'll see you later. We're renting a penthouse down the street.
I want to see.
All right, Mom. I met this beautiful girl. This is Rachel, Mom, and I love her. We're gonna get married.
One day.
I'm taking her home, and we're gonna cuddle and make babies. And I love you.
The next morning.
Whoa, guys. I am so fucking tired. Last night, I think I approached over 100 gorgeous girls here in Portugal. Guys, we pimped it. Me, Adrian, and Luis, we pimped it harder than I've ever seen anyone pimp it. Guys, whatever excuse you have approach anxiety, you have social anxiety, I just gotta say, stop being a fucking pussy and go fucking do it. That's how we get going, boys.
Ready?
Ready when you are.
Buddy. Go pivot.
Yo, let's go.
Hold the flies.
See you soon, Mr. Grushka.
See you soon, brother.
See you, bro. Guys, I think we had a great time here in Portugal. We're only here for 2 fucking days, but we still made the best of it. Isn't that right, Luis?
Bro, we got like no sleep on this whole trip. This has been amazing.
Yeah, 3 hours a night. Can't complain.
Gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. My name is Justin Marc, international dating coach, relationship expert, and VIP lifestyle development coach. I've been teaching dating, soul skills, and Daygame for 10 years in 50 plus countries, 6 continents, to thousands of guys in person just like you. And I love teaching guys this stuff. So if you like this video, please make sure to do me a favor and leave a thumbs up on this video. I really do appreciate that. Now, if you want to follow me more closely, you can go ahead and follow me on my new Instagram, DrunkJustin2, and watch my daily Instagram stories where I'm always partying with hot girls, doing exclusive events, crazy shit on my daily Instagram stories. Make sure to follow me there. You can see me traveling around the world in real time, doing amazing things, and teaching guys like you in person every day on my Instagram. And you can message me on my Instagram as well. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram and message me there. And if you want to actually call me, you can call me at justinmarc.com. We'll do free consultation calls. So you can actually call me. We'll do a free discovery call where we can get you on the right action plan to change your dating life and your social life at justinmarc.com. And if you guys want to dig deeper and watch more of our more exclusive content, go to wingmanpodcast.com and watch our Wingman podcast on Spotify, Apple, and all platforms. And we'll see you guys very soon in a new video. My name is Justin Marc, and I'll talk to you very soon. Peace out.